Welcome to Mr. Fred's classroom. The Calming Strategies Experiment.
Hello, everyone! Today we are online again with Mr. Harris, Stripes, and Rupert.
Hi, everyone! Hi, friends.
Hello again. How's everyone doing?
I'm okay. I've been practicing taking 2 deep breaths every day. I've been practicing too, but sometimes I don't really like taking deep breaths. It's like I'm too mad to take deep breaths.
Well, I'm really glad to hear that you've both been practicing. And Rupert, not every calming strategy will work for everyone. Sometimes we need to try out some others. That's why there are lots of different calming strategies.
There are? Like what?
Well, you could take a 5-minute walk or run, listen to calming music, stretch, or try yoga.
Yogurt? But I'm lactose intolerant.
Yoga. It's a form of exercise that can involve stretching and meditation. You want to do something that will help your body calm down. How does your body usually feel when you start to get mad?
Oh, I get really hot, and my whole body feels really tight. I get hot too, and sometimes I feel like I'm going to explode.
If your body feels really hot when you get mad, you should try doing something that helps cool it down, like getting a cool drink of water, or splashing water on your face, or even standing in front of a fan.
Yes, and if you feel really tight, you should try stretching or taking a short walk to help loosen up your muscles.
Just remember that even when we know what we should do, like taking deep breaths, it can be hard in the moment, and we might make mistakes like yelling at someone. Now, if that happens, we have to think about what we could have done differently. And don't forget that we should apologize to anyone who we might have hurt.
Yes, we have to practice most things before we get really good at them. And I think I may just have a fun experiment to show you how coping skills and practice can help us manage our anger. Okay, so in front of me, I have vinegar, baking soda, and water. For our experiment, we're going to pretend that the vinegar is our feelings. Since we're talking about anger today, I've added some red food coloring. Red seems like a good color for anger. For the next part of our experiment, we're going to pretend that the baking soda is an upsetting event. Something that happens that makes us upset or angry. For example, it could be like last week when Stripes did not get to play with her toys. The last part of our experiment is water. We're going to pretend that the water is our calming strategies, like taking deep breaths, stretching, taking a walk, or getting a drink of water. Okay, I think we're ready. First, let's see what happens when we do not use any calming strategies. So I'm just going to add an upsetting event to our feelings. Are you ready? Watch closely. Now let's add an upsetting event to our feelings.
Wow! It's like our anger just exploded. That's kind of how I felt last week. I was so mad that my anger sort of exploded out of my body, and I yelled at my mom.
That's what can happen when we forget to use our coping skills. Now, let's see what happens when we remember to use some calming strategies. To do that, I'm going to add some water, or calming strategies, to this vinegar, or feelings. And now the water. And let's add an upsetting event and see what happens.
That wasn't as bad. It didn't explode like last time. Yeah! It's like it stayed a lot calmer.
It did stay a lot calmer. Now let's try one more time. This time, we'll pretend we've been practicing our calming strategies a lot, so we'll add a lot more water this time. First, we'll add the calming strategies we've practiced. And now our upsetting event.
Wow, look at that. It barely bubbled up. It stayed really calm. Yeah, it stayed so calm this time.
That's right. When we practice our calming strategies, we get even better at using them, and it becomes easier to keep our body calm, even when we feel angry.
Yeah, that was an excellent experiment, Mr. Fred. It was really cool to see how using our calming strategies can help us stay calm even when we might be feeling really angry. Thank you for showing us.
You're welcome, Mr. Harris. And now, I think it's time for us to say goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. And thank you so much, Mr. Fred. Yeah, thank you. That was really fun. And bye, everyone.
Take care, everyone. It was good to see all of you again.
Yes, take care, everyone. Now, unfortunately, we will not meet next week. But if you can stick around until the very end of this video, I have one more fun experiment to show you.
Okay. Well, we will see you in 2 weeks then. Bye, everyone.
Mr. Fred. Stripes. Rupert. Thanks for watching.
Okay, one last experiment. This time it's just for fun. I'm going to add a lot of baking soda to this vinegar, and we'll see what happens. Wow, that was fun! And now I'll say goodbye because I have quite a mess to clean up. Don't want my cat to drink any of this.